Hey guys, ever wonder what women notice about you right off the bat? First impressions matter, and women are incredibly observant. Today, we're going to break down the 15 things women notice about a man at first sight, so you can make sure you're putting your best foot forward. 1. Confidence. Confidence is king. Women notice the way you carry yourself before anything else. Are you walking with purpose, or do you seem unsure? Confidence is attractive because it signals that you know who you are and what you want. 2. Your smile. A genuine smile can make a world of difference. Women notice if your smile is warm, inviting, and real. It shows that you're approachable, positive, and comfortable in your own skin. 3. Your style. You don't need to be a fashion expert, but women do notice how you dress. Whether you're wearing something casual or formal, the key is looking put together. Your style says a lot about your personality and how much you take care of yourself. 4. Grooming. From your haircut to your facial hair, grooming is crucial. Women notice if you take care of yourself, clean, trimmed, and well-maintained. It shows that you pay attention to the details. 5. Eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues. Women notice if you can hold eye contact without making it awkward. It shows confidence, respect, and interest. 6. Your posture. How you stand and carry yourself physically speaks volumes. Women notice good posture because it suggests confidence and self-assurance. Stand tall. Slouching can make you seem less confident. 7. Your voice and how you speak. The tone of your voice and how you speak are major indicators of your personality. Women notice if your voice is calm, confident, and engaging. Speaking clearly and with purpose can make a big impact. 8. Your shoes. Believe it or not, women often check out your shoes. It's a small detail, but it can reveal how much you care about your appearance. Clean, well-kept shoes show that you pay attention to detail. 9. How you treat others. Women notice how you interact with others, whether it's friends, strangers, or service staff. Kindness and respect go a long way. How you treat people speaks to your character. 10. Your sense of humor. Everyone loves a good laugh. Women notice if you have a sense of humor and if you can make them laugh. A well-timed joke or playful comment can break the ice and make you more approachable. 11. Your hands. It's true, women often notice your hands. Are they clean and well-kept? Your hands can say a lot about how you take care of yourself and your attention to hygiene. 12. Your scent. Your scent can leave a lasting impression. Whether you're wearing cologne or just have a clean, fresh smell, women notice. Smelling good shows that you take care of yourself and pay attention to the little things. 13. Your body language. Women notice your body language and whether you seem relaxed or anxious. Open, calm body language signals confidence and approachability, while closed-off gestures can make you seem distant or uninterested. 14. Your passion. Women notice when a man is passionate about something, whether it's your career, hobbies, or goals. Passion shows drive, ambition, and enthusiasm for life, all of which are attractive qualities. 15. Your manners. Last but definitely not least, women notice your manners. Whether it's saying please and thank you or holding the door open, good manners show that you're respectful and considerate, which goes a long way. So there you have it, the 15 things women notice about you at first sight. Remember, first impressions are important, so make sure you're putting your best self forward. Be confident, take care of yourself, and always show respect.